ABC Educational Channel.
Hello kids! Today we're going to learn the easy English sentences. This is and that is. They help us talk about things around us. Let's learn together. We use this as when something is near us. This is. We use that as when something is far from us. That is. Remember, this is near. That is far. Let's look at some examples. This is a cake. That is a cake. This is a book. That is a book. This is a ball. That is a ball. This is an apple. That is an apple. This is a pencil. That is a pencil. This is a bag. That is a bag. This is a chair. That is a chair. This is a cat. That is a cat. This is a dog. That is a dog. This is a toy car. That is a toy car. This is a hat. That is a hat. This is a flower. That is a flower. This is a clock. That is a clock. This is a banana. That is a banana. This is a cup. That is a cup. This is a table. That is a table. This is a kite. That is a kite. This is a door. That is a door. This is a TV. That is a TV. This is a school. That is a school. Great job, kids! Now you know how to use this is and that is. Remember, This is near. That is far. See you again.